This is my easy and quick shrimp and garlic butter sauce that I do. I first start out with mixing the shrimp in a bowl with the butter and the garlic, let it sit in for at least 30 minutes. Then I cook in very low heat to make sure that all that butter melts, but the shrimp doesn't overcook. I do that for at least 3 to 5 minutes and then cover it for about another 2 more minutes. In the meantime, I slice some pieces of avocado. I then serve this with rice, put in all that garlic butter sauce on top of the shrimp, and enjoy.